Guys, welcome to the new installation. This is going to be a meticulous driveway. We've got a concrete driveway here with this fantastically built new home. We're going to come in, we're going to do the finishing touches, and we're going to make this look brilliant. So we're going to shorten this in and out. The client wants an in and out driveway, so we're going to shorten this planter piece in the middle. We're going to break out all this existing concrete. We're going to change all this drainage over here, because currently, obviously, where the property sits back down the hill, if you look over here, you'll see how much water runoff there is. There's such a hard stand there, and there's a lot of water runoff. So we are going to set the aqua channels away from the property. We're going to ramp them into the property. We are going to come round the side here. Try and get around the side. Luckily, it's open. Right, so we're going to redo the pathway. This is going to be a patio area. We've got a manhole cover here. We've got a new aircon unit there, which we're going to be careful of. And check this out. Look at this. It's overgrown, it's wild, and that's where we come into play. I'm going to get in here with the machine, and I'm going to strip it all out. I'm going to level it all out, and I'm going to get rid of all of this. Now to a level playing field. So they have a porcelain patio going in over there. That porcelain patio is going to be just underneath their bifold doors. Their bifold doors here. So this is going to be the finished level. Then we are building a swimming pool. Yes, a swimming pool. So on days like today, you can enjoy your beautiful garden, your porcelain patio, artificial grass, and a base for a shed. And it is going to then go around the side. So what we're going to do is move this stuff. So we've got a dumper, we've got a digger, we're going to excavate, we're going to clear stuff, and then we're going to get all the spoil out. We're going to level all this off, strip it all black down to a blank canvas, pile it all up. Then we're going to dig our swimming pool. The swimming pool is going to be built. Then we're going to base up our patio. The patio is going to be laid. Then we're going to base up our artificial grass. Artificial grass is going to go in, and obviously the shed base will go in as well. This is going to be a fantastic installation, real showpiece, really showcasing our skills. There's a lot to it, there's everything to it, to be honest, drainage, everything. So we're going to get cracking, we're going to make some mess. Keep watching. guys, so the installation is now basically complete. As you can see, we've installed this fantastic white porcelain, Marbella white. It is an absolutely phenomenal slab, and I think you'll agree, this area where we dug this swimming pool out, and this is now all installed with coping stones, drainage channels, nice little area over there. That area is ready to go for the artificial lawn. You can see the manhole covers over here, and yes, this is a lovely patio area which leads us onto the driveway, which is a Tobermoor tegular in cedar with charcoal border and granite sets. These granite sets have been bird beaked, so you can see the point in here. It's absolutely fantastic finish all the way around, and this driveway with the drainage channels, the planter bed here, and it's an in and out driveway, so the client can use this driveway to come in and out on their driveway and have many years of fun with their new landscaped installation. So if you like what you see, you like the video and you like the installation, then please subscribe to the channel, please watch the videos. And also another thing here is the lighting. Some beautiful round lights which give the lighting fantastic features and light, so the client will know where their planter bed is. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel, please get in touch via Facebook, Instagram, or the website, or leave it in the comments. Thank you very much for watching the video, really appreciate it. See you soon.